Welcome to your online drafting class. I'm Alex Perdomo, and I'll be guiding you through the fundamentals of AutoCAD and beginning architecture. AutoCAD is the leading industry standard software for computer-aided design. In this program, you will create lines that turn into shapes, shapes that turn into drawings that turn into plans, and plans that turn into home. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this course is designed to provide you with the knowledge and the confidence to excel in architectural drafting. So let's get started and unlock your potential with AutoCAD. Let's go. Hello, I'm Alex Perdomo, but you can call me P. And today I'll be teaching you AutoCAD 2023 on the Mac. Now, I don't have a lot of time, so let's just get started. Now, in our intro lesson, we showed you how to adjust CAD for the best user experience. Today, we're going to dive in and learn some components. Now, over here is the model space. Let's get started. Now, over here, we can turn off our grid. Our grid was set in the intro lesson to 1/2 inch horizontally and vertically between each line. You can turn it off here. You can turn it on here. You can set the snap mode, and I'll explain that in a few seconds. And we're going to be using our ortho mode. Ortho mode basically means that the line can be horizontal or vertical. No other way. I'll demonstrate right now. And object snap. So we're going to use our line tool. So what we're going to do is we're going to snap. You see how it's snapping to every intersection? That's the snap command right there. You can turn it off and turn it on, but we're going to leave it on for now. Now, we're going to go three clicks to the left. We're going to click on it. Then you're going to go 2 clicks down. And then you're going to go 2.5 clicks to the right. And you're going to click. And then you're going to go 1 click up. 2 clicks up, to 1 inch. Now, you see how it only goes. Now, I know it's visually confusing because you have your dynamic entry where it says 1.5 and you have your angles. So you could turn it off, but right now we're not going to. And I'm going to turn off the ortho so I can connect this. Now, since I have my object snap on, you're going to be able to connect it. And you see how it turns into a green square with a cross. And there you have an object. Now, some of you are like, how do you make it stop? How do you disconnect it? Hit enter. Boom. Okay, and now you're going to use your line tool again, and you're going to click 1 down. Yes, you can go over lines, and we'll delete those later, and then 1 to the right. And I'm going to hit enter. Now, I'm going to use the center radius. If I long press, you'll see many different options. Just stick with radius for right now. And I'm going to make this 0.5, which is right there. Now, the beauty of AutoCAD, I can click that, make it disappear. Click that, make it disappear. Right there is our first object. Okay, and that's all the time that we have for today. So we're going to save this. So I'm going to click here on the little save command. Ta-da! Thanks. We'll catch you in lesson 2. Bye. Hi, this is P, and welcome to episode 2. In our last episode, we had a shape that we designed using our line and circle command. we're going to keep on adding to this and make a multi-view drawing. Now, a multi-view drawing is, we have created in episode 1 the side. Now we're going to create the top and the front. So let's go. So a easy way of creating the top drawing in an even location is, we're going to use our line tool, and we're going to make a 1-inch line, which we're going to delete later. I'm going to click. Now we're going to copy, and we're going to get the exact dimension of this. So this is 2.5 inches. We're going to go 1 inch up. We're going to go 2.5 to the left, and we're going to go down. We're going to hit enter. We're going to close that circle. Now this line over here that we were using, we're going to delete. Now we're going to draw one more line, which is this line right here. And the way we're going to do it is, we're going to do it here to here. And I'll explain that in a minute, because our object snap is not on. So we are going to do this manually. I will show you how to use the object command in a later episode. So again, here's our front. And we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to go ahead. We're going to click from here to here. We're going to do 1 inch, as you can clearly see. We're going to go up 2 inches, 1 to the right, 2 down. And we're going to click and hit enter. And again, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to repeat that line over here, like so. And we're going to then bring those lines in. We're going to click on it. We're going to bring those lines in. I'm clicking on it. And I'm going to click on this line and delete it. Fantastic. And that is episode 2. Hi, this is P, and welcome to episode 3. Now, in our last episode, episode 2, we did a multi-view drawing, where this is the side of the drawing, this is the top of the drawing, of what you're seeing here, and this is the front of the drawing. Now, in this episode, we're going to load some lines. And to do that, we need to find our lines. And here they are. Okay, so what we're going to do is, we're going to load some lines on here. Now, we have many different types of lines. So again, what you're going to do is, you're going to go to where it says line type over here. And you're going to go to manage. Okay, now we're going to click load. Now, there's many different types of lines in architecture and AutoCAD, but we're going to use only 2 right now. We're going to use the center line, which we'll get to later, and we're going to use the hidden line, which is right here, hidden. Not hidden 2, not hidden times 2, hidden. And we're going to add that, and we're going to click OK. Now, in this episode, we're going to need to use a tool we have not used before. We're going to use our Object Snap tool. Now, when I right-click on the Object Snap tool, you get all of these descriptions. So we're going to use for this, we're going to use center, which is already clicked. And if it's not clicked, click it. So let's do that again. So we're going to use center, and we're going to use tangent. These are going to be our friends now. And let's just get them out of the way. It seems like oops, I got this. Don't worry. I'm a pro. Okay, so we're going to show and symbolize that there is a hole drilled in the middle of our circle. So the way we do that is, we show that there's a hidden line. Now, since we activated the object snap, you'll see that it snaps to the side, and we actually activated our not midpoint, our perpendicular. is activated. So we're going to activate and we're going to choose the line. We got to choose the line. So we're going to go to hidden. And I'm going to go straight up. And I'm going to click there and there. And there's our hidden line. And there it shows there is a hole drilled. Now you're saying, well, wait a minute, P. What about this line? Why is this line not, well, there? It's because that's your corner. That's the corner. You have to show it. You have to symbolize it. Now over here, it's going to be a different story. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to repeat the line. And you see how smart AutoCAD is that it shows me it's parallel. And I'm going to click there and there, clickety click. And I'm going to repeat the line. And I got the tangent, taka and taka. And look at that. We have, now we can tell our manufacturer, hey, there's going to be a hole in the middle of our widget over here. A widget is a nonsensical part. This symbolizes nothing. So we're just making an imaginary part so you understand AutoCAD better. So we've got our hidden lines. Now, we're going to show that this is the center of the circle. And for that, we're going to use our center line. And to do that, let me clicky here. There we go. Now, to show that it's a center line, I'm going to put that center, I don't know, I'm going to go all the way here. Now I'm going to go all the way through, like that. Clickety click. And center lines are blue, because this is an alphabet, and I'm showing you the alphabet of lines. So you'll notice right down the middle here, you have a line, and we're going to repeat that line again through here. Clickety click. Actually, wait, I went too short. Should have gone further. Okay. And I'm going to paint that line. I'm going to do that line in blue. Blue. Clickety click. And there you have it. You have now a center line that goes through your part and symbolizes the center of the line. You have your hidden lines, and it shows that there is a hole that drills all the way through, and it is hidden when you look at it from the front or you look at it from the top. And that, boys and girls, is lesson 3. Thanks.